Hi there, my name is Sanjay Singh. I'm your sales coach. Friends, it often baffles me because people always keep on thinking, it's a buzzword, everyone is talking. Let's use technology. Did you use technology? Are you aware of the latest technology? Did someone tell you that something new has come into technology? Oh my God, everyone is talking about technology, but how many of them are there to tell you how to make use of technology in promoting your sales? How to make use of technology in taking your story to a wider mass of market so that more and more people are aware of you and more people want to buy your product. I am going to start this series called Tech-Know-Logy, wherein we are going to bring for you different episodes where we are going to cover one technology at a time, and everything is focused on how to improve your sales. So whether it is understanding how to make use of technology to source new salespeople, or how to make use of technology to train your salespeople, or how to make use of technology to performance appraisal your sales per team, or how to collaborate with the best practices in the world of sales, with the best practices of sales in your team, or even better still, how do you use technology to monitor your sales team on a day-to-day basis? How do you use technology to monitor the performance of your customers so that through a customer relationship management program you can sell more, which is what we call more customer per customer? Or how do you make use of technology to understand what your competitors are doing? How do you use technology to acquire more and more market intelligence? How do you use technology to understand what is your customer talking about you? How do you make use of technology to understand what does your customer need the next time he is going to market? So many wonderful things which we can now do much easier by making use of technology. And in this episode called Tech-Know-Logy series, we are going to bring to you one-on-one episodes on different types of technology which will help you sell more, sell better, and sell more value. So look forward for my next episode on Technology series, where one technology at a time and one new method for you to further improve your sales. I'm sure this one and this one will add together to make 11 for you. Bye-bye.